Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today is day 4 of this daily schedule for IBPS Clerk 2021, and this schedule is for beginners who have just started their preparation. So first you have to cover the daily current affairs, because if you cover daily current affairs from here, then you will get an edge in the mains examination. And for current affairs, I suggest you to follow Affairs Cloud. And if you have not bought the Affairs Cloud current affairs subscription, then I suggest you to go for it, because if you follow Affairs Cloud for current affairs, then there is no need to go anywhere, as Affairs Cloud covers all the current affairs. Okay, and if you keep revising their PDFs, then it is going to be really helpful in the mains examination. I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud current affair course in the description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. Then there is math speed test, and for tomorrow you will do ratio and proportion chapter, and you can follow Amar sir's YouTube videos. Then there is chapter based TI. So after covering the ratio and proportion chapter, try to practice 2 DIs of percentage chapter. As you have already completed the percentage chapter, try to do 2 chapter based DI on percentage. Then there are 5 prelims DIs, and for all this material you can go for Guidely PDF course also, because if you use Guidely PDF course, then there are daily targets given in the form of PDFs and daily quizzes. So if you feel problems in getting the daily practice questions, so this PDF course is for that. You get the daily practice questions, and there is grand bundle PDF course also. So you will get around 40,000 plus questions, and these questions are available in both languages, like in Hindi and English also. And if you get stuck in any question, then they provide video solutions also, and I think it is very helpful. So I will give you the link of this PDF course in description, and by using my code you will get 12% discount also. As you know, if we waste our time in searching for questions, then it is like wasting some precious thing which is very important at this time. Then there are 10 mixed puzzles, and for this also you can get these puzzles in Guidely PDF course. Tomorrow you will do syllogism basics, and these basics will be for only and a few. Okay, and for this you can follow Bankers Point YouTube channel. After that there is read daily editorial and basics of adjective chapter. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you can complete it on time, and that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.